Morning everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Yes, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is your multiplication. Before doing the multiplications, we have to know the certain rules. What are those? Just see, I am sharing the screen with you all. Yes, rules. What is that? The number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. Okay, the number to be multiplied, the number which is to multiplied is called as your multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply, which number we are multiplying, that is called as your multiplier. Okay, and the result that we got is called as your product. In order to understand better way, I am showing one example. Just see. Yes, examples over here. Just see, I have written 1 2 3 into 4. Multiplication symbol is like this way, cross. Yes, the above part 1 2 3 is called multiplicand. Why it is called multiplicand? Because the number to be multiplied with this only, that is called as your multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply, this number we are multiplying, so this is called as your multiplier. Okay, after that the result that we got over here is your what? Product. Done. Just see, I am writing the answer over here. 4 3s are how much? 12. 12 2 carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 will give you 9. 4 1s are 4. So we got 492. This is your product. Understood, children? Next comes your properties of multiplication. There are certain properties which we have to use while doing some by using some properties. What are those? The first property is order property of multiplication. What is that order property? The order property says that the product of two numbers does not change when the order of a number change. If I say 4 into 3 and I will say 3 into 4, same, 4 into 3 will give you 12 and 3 into 4 also give you 12. That is the property of order property, you can say order property of multiplication. Okay, now comes, yes, 98 into 5 equals to dash into 98. Children, you can see simply over here 98 is given after equals to, and before it is given 98 also and 5 also. Which one is missing? Just see. Yes, 5. So here we have to write 5. Whatever will get 90 into 5, same result will get while multiplying 5 into 98. Okay, so this is called as your order property of multiplication. As I told you, 5 into 3 and 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are also 15. Yes or no? Both the answers coming correct. 15 only coming. So this satisfy order property of multiplication. Just see another example. Dash into 125 equals to 10 into dash. Over here you can see that 10 is given, but over here no 10 is given. So I can write 10 over here. And over here 10 we got it, but 125 is given over here. No. So we write this one 125. 125. Got it? Same over here. Just see 36 into 23 and 23 into how much we write? This one or this one? Yes, 36. 36. This one 86 into dash equals to 105 into dash. अच्छा, here is different number, here also different number, but जो यहाँ दिया है यहाँ नहीं दिया है, जो यहाँ दिया है वो यहाँ नहीं दिया है. So this one will be written over here, 105 will write over here, and this side would write 86. Now it's coming equal. Like this you can do it, the problems which is being given in the exercise. Okay, next comes to your grouping property of multiplication. What do you know about the grouping property? Product of three numbers does not change when the group of a number is changed. Is in grouping. Grouping means we have to group some numbers, then we have to do the problems. Let's see. Yes, here the example. Just see, this is one group. Okay, in bracket I have put it over here. Just see, three number is in multiplying, 85 into 76 into 99, but this part is being given in bracket, equals to 85 into dash into 99. Okay children, you can see that. What should I write over here in these blanks? Just see, 85 is given, 99 also given, which is omitting? 76. So here will be your 76. Next, 42 into 83 into 68. This is the grouping, that's why given bracket over here. Okay, now see, 42, here also 42, 68, here also 68, which is omitting? Yes, 83. So you write over here what? 83. This is called as a grouping. Means by doing the group wise we can do the multiplication. Okay, third part is your multiplicative property of 1. Children, you must be knowing that 3 into 1 will give you 3, 4 into 1 will give you 4. That means whenever we are multiplying with 1, it gives the number itself. Okay, just see, 23 into 1 equals to dash into 23. 23 given, 1 is not there, here we write what? 1. Next, dash into 1 equals to 264 into 1. Here 1 is given, is okay, then this one is 264, over here also write 264. If you multiply 264 into 1 will give you 264. Here also 264 into 1 will give you same 264. Next, fourth property is your multiplicative property of 0. You must be knowing that any number is multiplied with 0 will give you 0 only. Okay, just see example, 8 into 0 will give you 0. 7646 into 0 will give you same thing, 0. Don't be confused. Any number is, whether it is small number or greater number, multiply with 0 means give you 0. Then 2 1 into 0 will give you same thing, 0. Got it? Next is your distributive property of multiplication. Distributive means we have to distribute. Okay, distribute means अलग अलग करना है. Yes, this distributive property is used for multiplying the larger number. Whenever you find the larger number, you have to use this property. Just see the example, it will be better understanding. Just see, 84 into, within the group is given 57 plus 36. So according to a distributive property, we have to distribute 84. First we multiply with 57. Just say written 84 into 57. Plus sign is given. I have written plus sign. Then 84 into 36. One time it will be multiplied with this number, and another time it will multiply with this number. Just see, 84 into 57 given over here. Plus symbol are given over here, and 84 into dash is given. In dash what to write? 36. This one. Okay, just see next. Same thing, 103 into 81 plus 59. Just see 103 into 81. It is given? No. So we write over here 81 plus 103 into 59. Just see 103 into 59. This is called distributive, means I am distributing. I am multiplying this with the first number, then giving plus symbol, again first number, then second number I am multiplying. Just see 92 into dash plus 36 equals to 92 into 47 plus 92 into 36. But this number will be what? Just see, 92 is multiplied with which number? First number. Yes or no? This is first number is what? 47. Right, 47. Plus symbol is given. I have written over here. Then 92 into 36 I have written over here. Okay. Last number is your 127 into, within bracket is 75 plus dash. Just see, 125 into 7 written over here, plus symbol given over here, then 127 into dash. In dash what is given? Which is that? 53. Over here you write 53. In our exercise, like this type of question has been given, whichever I have explained in the video, like this type of question has been given. So try to solve that one. In the evening class we will be discussing the worksheet, okay, and more clearing your doubts. Till then, bye bye.